Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, emotions expert, master dowser, and big-time animal lover. If you're someone who's got allergy sensitivities or intolerances to animals or their fur, their dander, their skin cells, whatever, this video is for you. There's usually two reasons why people have this kind of allergy. And the first reason is because it's just a physical reaction. Like we have reactions to all kinds of things like pollen in the air and other airborne substances. Our body doesn't know how to handle them, so it starts with the allergy symptoms, right? The runny nose, the sneezing, the coughing, trying to expel those substances from our sinuses and our mouth and things like that. The second reason is we may have had, as children especially, a, shall we say, unfortunate incident with an animal that we might be allergic to. For example, when I was a little kid, one of the neighbor's dogs bit me when I was walking to school one day. And I didn't realize it, but I had a mild allergy to dog fur for decades. And I used to think, oh, it's just, the dust in the air when I was working at the Humane Society as a volunteer in the dog kennels and such. And finally something said, just douse and find out what it is. And that was it. It wasn't the dust in the air. I'd already cleared that allergy and sensitivity, but it was the dog hair. And I cleared that, and the memory came up of that dog biting me when I was a little girl walking to school. And guess what? No more sneezing, runny nose, coughing, anything like that around dogs anymore. So you can do this too for yourself or for your loved ones. First thing to do is find out, if possible, were there any incidents where someone was bitten or kicked by a horse, scratched by a cat, bitten by a dog, whatever, or a hamster, a gerbil, anything like that. A bad experience connected can cause your immune system to say, I got to stay away from this animal because bad things happen when I'm near the animal, so if I develop allergic conditions, I will stay away from the animal. I know it's sort of a convoluted thought process, but that's the way the subconscious mind works. All you have to do is clear the fears and neutralize, scramble the energy, and let go of the allergies, and you should see results right away within several minutes. I've been doing this on myself, my loved ones, family, friends, co-workers, and of course clients for almost 20 years now. So all you have to do is this. I now scramble the energy and neutralize all allergy sensitivities and intolerances to dog fur, dog dander, cat fur, cat dander, all their skin cells, their saliva, and anything else that comes from a dog or a cat that's causing this allergic reaction. I also scramble the energy and neutralize and let go of all fears of not being safe from any time that I was hurt by an animal, bitten or scratched by dogs, chased by dogs, bitten or scratched by cats, kicked by horses, bitten by horses, whatever the allergy is. I'm letting all this go now. And as I release the fears, my immune system feels safe to be around these animals, to have the experience of the beautiful therapeutic love that comes out of these beautiful critters' hearts and souls. Now, I also release any and all fears of the allergy sensitivities or intolerances, of having a massive attack of the allergy sensitivities and intolerances that I've experienced perhaps in the past, being around specific animals, their fur, their dander, etc. As I let all this go, I feel safe, again, to be around animals. All the allergies are scrambled, neutralized, and no longer have any reactions around the specific animal fur, dander, or the animals themselves that cause these issues. So be it. Take a nice deep breath in and out. That's all you have to do. This does not replace any kind of a doctor's care or medication. It's just something to help you out, and then you can go to the doctor and get tested and see if that allergy still shows up in your lab results. Thank you for watching. Bless you. Take good care of yourselves. Check out my website, emorescue.com, for more information. Peace out. Namaste. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.